President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, the national chairman of the NRM party and the presidential flag bearer, today met leaders from the West Nile region to address their concerns and mobilize them to strengthen grassroots support for the ruling party. The meeting was held at Moni University in Arua City and brought together leaders from Jombe, Obongi, Moyo, Maracha, Zombe, Pakwach, Nebi, Alwa District, Madi Okolo, Koboko, Terengo, and Arua City. The leaders commended President Museveni for restoring and maintaining peace in the region for the nearly 4 decades, saying the stability has enabled the people of West Nile to focus on development and wealth creation. They also appealed to the president to attract more industries to the region as a way of fighting poverty and creating employment opportunities for all the local population.
As the sons and daughters of West Nile, Mr. President, and the parents, we appreciate you for appointing our son as the DPP. I believe that is the highest position for our region. We are grateful for you to elevate him to that level. We are saying, at least we know, with this mobilization and the one beyond, we are going to give you our votes, Mr. President, the father of the nation. So later we will come to you and say, look favorably upon West Nile and please give us more appointments.
While addressing the leaders, President Museveni reminded them of the core principles that have kept the NRM strong, particularly for the rejection of the division based on tribe, religion, and other forms of sectarianism, which he said undermine the national progress.
Believe in patriotism, which means love Uganda. Yes, you are Rugubara, you are Minyankore, you are this religion or that religion, but in order for you to be prosperous, you need Uganda. It is the market which will help you to get out of poverty.
The president emphasized that unity allows communities to access wider markets, enabling them to sell more and better incomes and live themselves out of poverty.
Find that even the internal market of Uganda is not enough. Because if we were depending on the internal market, by now I would be a poor man. Why? The production of milk has gone up. The production of milk now in Uganda is 5.3 billion liters. But the internal market is only 800 million liters. So there's a surplus of 4 billion liters. Who is buying it? East Africa.
President Museveni also expressed support from the former US President Donald Trump's stance on illegal immigration, saying such policies can encourage citizens to remain in their countries and contribute to the national development.
I say, like Mr. Trump, I like Mr. Trump so much myself. He has said, don't come here now to America. I said, thank you so much for chasing those wanderers. What are they going to do in America? I don't want to go where I am here. Where are you going? Trump for chasing you. People who don't care about their country, they always go all over the place. So this teaches you that you build your own capacity.
The president further revealed that in the next term, his priority will be to ensure every Ugandan is engaged in productive economic activity, identifying wealth creation and poverty eradication as a central pillar of his manifesto. After the West Nile engagement, President Museveni proceeded to Gulu to meet leaders from the Acholi sub-region before heading to Busoga tomorrow for a similar outreach.